Hi everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful beanie. Let's get started! The materials you'll be needing is yarn, sewing needle, scissors, and a crochet hook. Start by crocheting your desired length for your hat. I did 50, but it's all up to you. To start our project, we're going to start by making a slip knot. Then we're going to insert our hook into that slip knot and start chaining. To chain, all you have to do is yarn over and pull through that loop, and that's how you chain. I made 50 of those, but it's all up to you. Now you're going to crochet a double crochet in the back loop of each stitch. As you can see here, I'm yarn overing and inserting my crochet hook through the back loop, yarn overing and pulling through, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to repeat that throughout all our chains. Here is how my second round looks. Now chain 1 and flip your work. Now repeat, double crochet in back loop. We're going to do this throughout all the stitches. As you can see here, I'm doing the same thing in each stitch, and this is how it's coming along. After a lot of work that I'm sure you guys did too, here's how mine looks so far. Now we're gonna continue doing the same stitch. Here's how my final result looks. I'm sure if you guys follow the same steps, yours will look the same. Now I'm going to fold it equally and start putting them together. To do this, all you need to do is insert your crochet hook through all 4 stitches. Then you're gonna yarn over and pull through those stitches, and then you're gonna yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see here, those are the steps I'm doing here, and that's what I'm gonna do for all my stitches. Here's how much I did so far. All done! I'm all done putting my 2 pieces together, and here's how it looks. Now follow these steps to sewing the top of this beanie. Once you've done it all around, just pull the yarn and it'll all scrunch up. But make sure none are folded inside. Now I'm gonna make a knot so it's extra secure. I would recommend doing 2 or 3 knots just to make sure it's extra secure. Now I'm going to grab my sewing needle that already has yarn in it, and I'm going to sew in the yarn all around. Now I'm going to cut the excess yarn. Here's how the top looks. And now flip your beanie. All done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you guys want more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss my new videos. Bye!